Hello everyone, my name is Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Over the past decade, I've purchased 14 properties across Canada, from Vancouver to Ottawa. Now some were very good, some were like so-so, some were just like boo. So in today's video, I'm so excited to go through my favorite real estate investing apps and resources that I found over the years through trial and error. So instead of keeping it in my head, I want to share it with you so you save a ton of time and money. And most importantly, many of them are free. So in today's video, I'm going to go over my favorite real estate investing apps and resources, and of course, highlight my key reasons for using them. Hopefully this video helps you become a lean machine and become super efficient as you grow your real estate portfolio. And if you found this helpful in any way, shape, or form, please help a Canadian YouTuber out, please, and support my channel by hitting that like button. Hit it, so you let me know to make more of these videos for you. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed, like why not? I talk about stocks and real estate investing in Canada to grow you multiple streams of income so that you can design your best life. So please hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you get the latest and greatest videos coming to you every single week. And the community is beautiful and growing, full of like-minded Canadians. So make sure you stick around. Now, the first one I use is Rentometer. Now, I use this for all my rental properties. This I use pretty much every single year, where I just check what are the rental ranges for, say, a 2-bedroom house or a 3-bedroom house. You can get really granular. And what I love about it, it has a gauge just to tell you, like if you're charging $1,800 rent for a 2-bedroom apartment, it gives you, are you too high or in the too cheap range? I love it. I love it. Now, the downside about it is that it's not super free. You can get like 5 free reports. You can get a free trial, but after that, you're gonna have to pay for it. Now, the second resource I use is Textnow. Okay, this I absolutely love. This is actually created by, I think, 2 university students from University of Waterloo. So it's a Canadian app, and it's got more than, I think, 15 million users right now. So Textnow is like a burner phone, okay? I use this actually to communicate with my contractor. So if I'm looking like at quotes for roof repair or to get some lawn maintenance done, I use this Textnow because it gives you a free mobile number, and the text messaging is super reliable and the phone calls are really, really good. I've used a lot of burner apps and my favorite is Textnow. And a quick hack, if you are just purchasing a data plan, say for your kids, and you don't want to purchase a cell phone number, well, you can use Textnow, give them a mobile number free. It uses the data plan only. The next one is Facebook Marketplace. Okay, I love Facebook Marketplace for rental listings. I actually even sold a condo like 15 years ago, and it was in the span of 2 days. It's so amazing. It's really good with targeting certain audiences. I don't know how they do it, but they really figure out, like, if someone's looking for a 2-bedroom condo, all of a sudden it shows that user more and more 2-bedroom condos. So I love that part of it. And the most important part, if I get an application from a tenant that's from Facebook Marketplace, well, I could do a history check on that tenant because usually that tenant has a Facebook profile. So it's really awesome for that. You can really do little internet snoop on Facebook on that tenant. Hey everyone, I just want to hit a quick pause before I go into the real estate investing apps and resources, because I have a couple resources that I think will help you dramatically in building your real estate portfolio in the most tangible and actionable way. I have a step-by-step checklist on buying your first or next rental property and a real estate toolkit for Canadians. And it's all free. Be sure to hit that link below. And most importantly, this toolkit is filled with actionable and practical advice that you can take now. I also have a Zero to Millionaire real estate course to help you build your real estate empire in Canada. I cover strategies of how to find and buy discounted real estate, attract the best tenants, go over property management, go over things like taxes in Canada. I talk about roadmaps for different age groups if you're in the 20s, 30s, 40s, or 50s, building your real estate portfolio in Canada. So if you're interested, be sure to check out the link below on my Zero to Millionaire course. Now the next one is Streetwise Mortgages. This is my go-to brokerage firm, okay, for everything related to my mortgages, for buying my next rental property, because you know what? Part of buying the next rental property is to get financing. And because I've built up my rental property portfolio for so long, it is a bit of a struggle to get more and more financing. So that's why I don't want to, figure that out. And that's why I go to Streetwise Mortgages for that, because they basically help me buy pretty much unlimited number of rental properties. And what I love about them, well, they create my real estate financing plan so that I really know how to strategically place myself in the best position to buy my next rental properties. And my favorite part is they always take account of the person's goals, okay? So they create a real estate financing plan. They understand your goals so that they place you in the best position to buy your next rental property. So if you're looking to like flip a property or convert the basement into a rental income suite, they'll strategically place the best financing terms and conditions so that you're in the best position to do this. Now, my last favorite resource is Creditkarma. Okay, this is so awesome. I use it personally just to check my credit score, okay? So if my tenants, like when I'm screening tenants and I'm asking for a credit check, I always refer them to Creditkarma because they can get their credit checks for free. They get their own credit score. So if you haven't looked at getting your credit score, well, check out Creditkarma. I'm not affiliate or sponsored in any way. I just love them. They give you your credit score and you can monitor it every few months. It's so awesome. And if you're into, well, if you are a real estate investor and you're screening in tenants, you can refer them to Creditkarma. Anyways, I hope you found this video so helpful. All I ask is hit that like button, hit it. So it lets me know to create more of these videos for you every single week. I'll see you next time.